Lamb is one of those dishes that usually is intimidating for people to cook. It doesn't have to be. All you need are some good cooking techniques and pairing good seasonings. Lamb has a distinct flavor. You won't hear people saying it tastes like chicken. It tastes like lamb. It's gamey and earthy and delicious. Just like beef, lamb can be ground for burgers and meatballs. There are cuts of lamb that are best for long cooking methods like braising or slow cooking. These cuts are the lamb leg, stew meat, shoulder, and lamb shank. Lamb is great year-round because it's good on the grill too. There are chops and ground lamb and cubes for kebabs. Lamb chops are expensive, so while you're experimenting with flavors and techniques, I suggest using shoulder chops or loin chops for a less expensive experiment. Because lamb has such an intense flavor, it can withhold some bold flavors, so don't be afraid to experiment. Some traditional and French flavors for lamb are rosemary, garlic, thyme, and mustard, while Greek flavors are mint, lemon, oregano, and garlic. Some Moroccan flavors for lamb include cinnamon, cumin, and cardamom. Whatever combinations of flavors you use, just remember to have fun and that lamb doesn't have to be left for only special occasions. Just make sure that you share it with friends and that it's delicious until the very last bite. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.